Hello my friends, I welcome you to this channel. Today I've got this beautiful blanket, baby blanket that I made. Really soft, very beautiful. I like the edging. See, look at the edgings. But the big question about this blanket is, and that is what I'm going to teach you today. The big question is, how did I manage to have two sides? One side with like this, with ribs like this, you see, like that. And the other side looking like this. How did I manage to do that? So one side is ribbed like so, as you can see, like that. And the other side is like that, totally different. So it's one blanket, but in essence, you can wear it both sides. So that side, you go that side, and you have that side. How beautiful is that? And how cool is that? Look at the beautiful edging to the blanket. This one I made for a girl who is going to have a baby soon, and it's all ready for her. So I'm going to let you into the little secret how I managed to have a double-sided blanket. One side like that, the other side like that. Okay, let's go. So what I did for you, dear friends, I did a baby or a tiny sample blanket for you so that we can all learn how to make this double-sided blanket. So first and foremost, I chained here, made my chain. Make your chain as big as you want your blanket to be. So after I made the chain, I made the foundation single crochet row here. Now after that, I made 2 double crochet in one hole, another 2 double crochet in the same hole on the edging. Then I made a double crochet standing on its own like that. So 2 double crochet in the same hole, a double crochet standing on its own, 2 double crochet in the same hole, a double crochet standing on its own, 2 double crochet in the same hole, a double crochet starting on its own, and 2 double crochet in the same hole and 2 double crochet on the same hole on both ends. So let's begin. So turn like that because I need to chain 2. So you chain 1 and 2 and you turn, and instead of another double crochet, I do it like this. Go in there, pull through, take that one like so. So on that side I have that. It's like a double crochet, but in essence it's not a double crochet. So next is 2 double crochet in the same hole like this. Like so. Now when I come to the double crochet standing on its own, now I will go like this. You yarn over, go through like so, like that. Next is 2 double crochet together. Another one, double crochet, let me do it again. It's a little bit splitting, but never mind. It's like so. So we come to the double crochet, starting on its own. Go like this, yarn over, go like that, and like so. So 2 double crochet, and another one in there. You come to the double crochet, starting on its own. You yarn over, go through there like that. Now you come to 2 double crochet together in the same hole. Get some more yarn. You come to the single crochet, starting on its own, and it's facing us like that. So you go like that. And now is two double crochet and 2 double crochet. So two double crochet and another 2 double crochet at the end here. And I will show you what we've got. This is one side of the blanket, the ribbed side, like that. Look at it from that angle. You can see all the ribs, the ribbing, the ribbing, the ribbing, the ribbing. So that's one side of the blanket. That is how we do one side. I'll show you how we do the other side. So we've done the ribbed side. We want to do the other side. So from this side, you chain 2, 1 and 2, turn round. I don't do a double crochet, I do it like this. You go in, go through. That is how I do the edge. It's like 2 double crochet, but it's not. Now we come to the 2 double crochet on the same spot. Now we are on the other side of the blanket. 2 double crochet like so. Now when we come to the single crochet, starting on its own, you can see now it's not facing us, it's on the other side. So what you do, you yarn over. Instead of coming like this, you go at the back, you put your hook through like this and there, and now you pull your yarn like so and make your double crochet. So 2 double crochet on the same spot here. 2 double crochet. So our starting alone double crochet is there. So we said yarn over, don't come like this, no, go back like that, and in there as well, get your yarn like that and do your double crochet as you would. So 2 double crochet on this spot, another one, The yarn is splitting a little bit, but never mind, we can do it again. Another double crochet. Now our starting alone double crochet is here, so you yarn over, not like that, no, not like that, but go at the back, get in from the back like that, in on the other hole, and get your yarn and do your double crochet as you would. So now it's 2 double crochet on this spot like that. Get some more yarn. I was starting alone double crochets, so you yarn over, not here, not like that, but go back and get your yarn like that and finish your double yeah, finish your double crochet as you would, like that. And now is 2 double crochet here as you're doing on both ends. Yeah, my yarn is a bit splitting, but never mind, you get the gist. And another 2 double crochet on this spot here, double crochet here, and I'll show you what we managed to get while we did that. So let's see. So you can see we managed to get that kind of pattern on that side. So we have that side, you can use that side when you want. You can turn your blanket, you can use this side. So it's the same blanket, but you can use it on both sides, which is very, very cool. So thank you for listening to me. Thank you for being with me. Hope you're going to make your own baby blanket. This blanket belongs to a girl who is pregnant. I think she's due in, next month. But her blanket is all ready for her to come and collect. So thank you for being with me. So until next time, I'll say bye. Bye.